Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning for the week of January 25th to the 31st and using this gorgeous 4-page kit from GL Designs Group. I'm going to go ahead and flip through so you guys can see everything that comes in the kit. Love those florals on that bottom washi, so pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and get started placing down my bottom washi, date covers, and my sidebar as usual. So I'm in a different planner this week that I have been using for the month of January. This is the sticker kit planner, and I will have her information in the description box in case you are curious about this planner and want to check her out on Instagram. She hand makes these planners, and I actually purchased this as my memory planner for this year. And I was intending to use the City Girl planner as my primary planner. And I found that I wasn't really enjoying that as much. I have a January flip through video coming up for you guys that should be uploaded shortly after this video goes up. And so in that video, I go into a little bit more detail as to what some of the issues were that I was having with the City Girl planner. And not that it's a bad planner, it's a really great planner. There were just some things about it that made it not as functional for my personal planning style. And so that was why I made a shift. I had gotten to the point where there were little things that were kind of frustrating me, and then I got a chance to plan with the sticker kit planner during one of our plans change episodes that I do with Rachel, and realized that I wasn't having any of those frustrations with this planner because it's really well designed for decorative planners. And so I just thought, you know what, let me switch it up and use this planner for the last week of January, and that's what I decided to do. So now that I've got my bottom washi and date covers down, I moved over to the sidebar, layered some of the deco, those little house slippers from the kit, along with a little candle sticker from the Sweet Planner, and then that January script with some rose colored days. I put down a damask thin lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio, then put down the quote box which said let's stay in bed. Legit how I feel most days when I wake up and have to work. Then used a rose header from Panda Bird Design. I layered one of those scallop circles from Miss and Meow over some mini half mandalas from Honey Inked to mark my work from home week, and then started building my sidebar with the Monday through Sunday tracker to track my dinners, and used the habit trackers from the kit. Moving on to our day-by-day section, I had some leftover headers. This header I'm putting down right now is actually from the Saucy Stickers Co. kit that I used last week. I did a little bit of changing things up with this particular kit for this week because I have a very dainty, girly, very feminine planning style, and a lot of the vibe of this kit was a little bit more casual, more playful in the way that I would sort of describe it. And so I was obsessed with the full boxes. I love the images and I loved the colors and all of that about this kit, but I wanted it to be sort of adapted to my personal planning style. So I pulled out some boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, and some things that I had in my stash that I knew would coordinate well with this kit, and really just sort of adapted it to my planning style. And I think that's one of the things that I find really enjoyable about planning at this point. I feel like last year was a lot about me trying to learn and figure out what my planning style was, and I feel like at this point I kind of know what it is, and that makes me really happy and excited because I feel like I'm able to create spreads that really appeal to me because I went through the process of just kind of learning my planning style. Anywho, on to our day by day. Geez, I started off with just some meetings that I had to do for work. Typical Monday morning for me. Put down a flourish from Crafts by Towie. Then I needed to update my mailing address at church because we're going into tax season and it's time for them to start mailing out all that kind of information and stuff like that. And I realized we hadn't let them know that we had moved. Because church is all virtual now. We're never physically in the building anymore. So I think that was why it didn't dawn on me to remind myself to make sure I updated that. And then I realized, hey, we were starting to get tax stuff coming in the mail, and I was like, oh, I should probably say something. Anywho, Um, I've used a quarter box from Panda Bird Design, and that Amazon sticker was from, what is that? The Pretty Pink Co. To mark that I'd ordered some nail files, because I've been playing around with dip nails so much lately. In love with that. Finished up Monday by marking cooking dinner and a workout session. On to Tuesday. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to be doing a no spin this week, which was a modified no spin because Crafts by Towie had announced that she was going to be releasing some icons on Tuesday that I absolutely knew I wanted. And I was like, okay, so we're going to have a no spin that takes a break on Tuesday and resumes on Wednesday. Except that I totally failed my no spin on Monday. So it was a Monday, Tuesday break, and then I started on Wednesday, and I totally did a no spin Wednesday. I think I did a no spin the rest of the week. I really did good. I was proud of myself. That's progress for me. Anywho, I love that full box on Tuesday, the one with the girl on FaceTime. Holding the phone in her hand. I feel like that is so my life so often, especially in quarantine. We're constantly just sort of keeping in touch with the world virtually, and I just thought she had done such a great job designing a kit that just felt very chill and lax and work from home, and so appropriate to now. Finished up Tuesday by watching some vlogs on YouTube and editing a plan with me and working on recording a voiceover. On to Wednesday, I started by putting down one of those rose quarter boxes from Panda Bird Design. I layered an Instagram icon from Netty Designs on top of that to mark my midweek post on Instagram. Then it dropped down to like right above the full box that I had placed on Wednesday, which is at the bottom of the column, because I was pre-planning and I knew the one thing I wanted to do was relax after work. I had been so busy just trying to like get caught up on videos and get caught up on planning, and I had made the decision on Wednesday I wasn't doing any work for my Instagram or social media after work. And so then above that, I marked some things for work on a half box, and I've been layering those cute little half mandalas from Honey Inked underneath that work laptop on that half box, and I just love the way that looks on the page. I used a thin lace damask print thin lace washi strip from Bloom Paper Studio underneath that header, and then layered a YouTube icon over a hexagon from Netty Designs to mark that I uploaded my leftover kit plan with me on Wednesday. So on to Thursday. That was a really fun video, by the way. If you haven't had a chance to watch it, I got challenged to create a spread using only leftovers from kits, and so it was a lot of fun, very different. I hadn't done anything like that, and I was trying to remember if it had just been a long time or if I had never done anything like that. Either way, it was amazing, and if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend. On to Thursday. Started by marking my daily devotional, which I've been trying to do a lot better with trying to make sure I'm opening and reading that app in the morning because I love it and I think it's a great way to start my day. Then used the full box on Thursday. Underneath there, I am marking I was prepping for work for month end. So I'm just going to put down that same half box from Artbox Stickers, layer the mandala from Honey Inked, and then I'm using this cute little laptop from Cami Designs, and I love her floral embellished icons. So cute. And so month ends are always busy at my job, and I knew there were some things I wanted to sort of already get started on and get in the works, so that way I would be prepared for Friday because I knew it was going to be a busy day. Then after work, I wanted to work on creating some questions for Plans Change because we had an episode coming up on Saturday. Underneath there, I'm going to use this quarter box and this to-do script from Netty Designs. We bought just like some shelves and organizers to put in the gym, and so I wanted to put those together. I really did not have an icon to mark that, so it was just like, okay, to do. And just write it. I was trying to think, it's because it's such a random thing. Just like putting together shelves isn't something I generally mark in my planner. So it's definitely not something I would have thought to buy an icon for. on to Thursday. Oh, wait, no, I finished up Thursday night by doing dip nails on my nails because I had gotten a new dip powder that came in and I was really happy with the color. It's actually the color you're seeing on screen. I had just done these nails. So I was having fun with that. On to Friday, I started by marking that it was month end at work. Very busy work day for me. And then I am on a PR team now. And that is for Sadie Stickers. And so she had some new releases on Friday. So I wanted to make sure I was sharing that on Instagram and trying to do my part to be a good PR girl. I've been so nervous about that. This is one of the reasons why it took me a really long time to make the decision to get on a PR team and why I didn't do it at all last year, because I think PR teams are awesome, but I think they are a lot of work. And so I applaud everyone who puts in the effort for that, because sometimes it can be a lot to keep up with and make sure you're getting all your posting done and all of that stuff. Did some more filming and editing on my haul video on Friday. And then my Harriet Wright Designs planner showed up on Friday, which made me beyond happy. I have no words because I was not expecting that to get here. With COVID and with the fact that it was coming from the UK, I just assumed the soonest that planner would be able to get to me was the end of February. And I was really sad about it because I was like, dang, I really wish I had that planner, because I wasn't happy with the current primary planner I was using. And so I was really looking forward to trying something different and hoping it was going to be a better fit for me, which, side note, as I'm doing this voiceover, I've had a chance to plan in that Harriet Wright Designs planner. It's perfect. Oh my God, wait till you guys start seeing the spreads in that planner. It completely reinvigorated me. I didn't realize it was starting to impact how I was feeling about wanting to actually sit down and plan. And all of the issues I was having, they were really minor, very small issues. It wasn't like anything major, but it was getting to the point where certain little things were starting to frustrate me, and I wasn't having as much fun planning. And I think especially when it comes to your hobby, the enjoyment part is kind of a big deal. It should be enjoyable. So, yeah. On to Saturday. Now that I've talked over all of Saturday, I slept in. It was my niece Bailey's birthday, which was so awesome. She was turning 6, which I'm just like, no, you were my little one. You were supposed to stay a baby for a little bit longer. I don't understand how come kids don't understand. We made a deal. You're supposed to stay little and cute and adorable, because that's how I'm happy. But I guess she's going to grow up anyways. Anywho. I did some filming. We did like a Zoom singing happy birthday to her, and it was so adorable, and she's so precious. And she started singing along, and she was like singing happy birthday to herself. It was precious. It was adorable. Anywho. And then Ray and I did a Plans Change episode live on Instagram. Ended Saturday with a workout, and on to Sunday, streaming a church service. Since church is all online, it's not safe to be in a building. Then I planned to wash and braid my hair on Sunday. That did not happen. I'm not gonna lie. That was the plan though. And yeah, I'll get to it. And then I uploaded a Plan With Me. I'm trying to think. I feel like that didn't happen either. I had intended to upload this Plan With Me on Sunday, and it is being uploaded Monday evening because I was running a little behind in getting my editing and voiceover done. I had so many videos I started working on and so many things. It's been busy, but I'm catching up on my editing, and I expect to have quite a few videos coming out for you guys this week. So hopefully that all works out. And then just did some cleaning and chores around the house, typical weekend stuff for me. So that finishes up this week. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.